Hello, my name is Hadeel Saad. I'm a second-year PhD student at the University of Michigan, and I'm an evolutionary biologist studying ichthyology, specifically with the use of the fossil record of reef fishes. So I'll admit, for some of us, this is a lot of new terms, so let's go back and understand each one. An evolutionary biologist is someone who studies life on Earth and how this diversity came to be. An ichthyologist is someone who studies fishes, and a paleontologist is someone who studies past life, typically with the use of the fossil record. So simply put, I study the diversity of fishes we see today by looking at fossil fishes. I'm specifically interested in biodiversity and understanding how it came to be through space and time. Today, I study physical patterns that determine the diversity in the Indo-West Pacific. That's the region where we see coral reefs in Australia and Indonesia. There's a lot of research done on fishes we see today, but there's a huge gap in our understanding of the past processes that have shaped the spatial patterns of fishes in this region. Research from marine invertebrates hint that changes in the Earth's plates, water, and climate probably pushed marine organisms out of their original location and into the Indo-West Pacific. Molecular phylogenies on living fishes provide limited evidence for their shifts, but the only direct evidence for their past distributions and their migration is the fossil record. In order to understand how fishes made this migration from the Indo-West Pacific, I have to wear a lot of different scientific hats. For some projects, I'm looking at the shapes and arrangements of fish from museum fossils and living specimens, and sometimes I'm working with molecular data. I try to mix all this information together to get a more complete picture of how some of these fish made this migration. Although using so many tools can be a little bit frustrating, being highly interdisciplinary allows me to understand my work from numerous angles, and none of my work would be possible without collections from museums.